San Francisco's Transbay Terminal was originally built in 1939 and provided a gateway for travelers to the lower portions of the Bay Bridge and served as a hub for San Francisco, the Peninsula, and the East Bay. Today, San Francisco is embarking on a new Transbay Transit Center that will reconnect the region and its transit systems as it once did and be the model for transit hubs around the world. The plan looks to replace the outdated facility with a new regional transit center on the site of the current Transbay Terminal at 1st and Mission Streets to accommodate over 45 million passengers annually. The new facility will serve AC Transit, Golden Gate Transit, Muni, Samtrans, Greyhound, Caltrain, and the future California high-speed rail under one roof, with walking connections to BART and Muni Metro and linking San Francisco to the rest of the region and the state. The plan will also extend the Caltrain commuter rail lines, 1.3 miles from the current terminal stop at 4th and King Streets to the Transbay Transit Center, reducing commute times for Peninsula riders commuting to the city and closing that long gap between the East Bay and Peninsula transit services. Now, one of the main features of the TTC will be its inclusion into California's high-speed rail system, a 700-mile fully graded train system spanning the length of California and eventually connecting San Francisco to Sacramento, Los Angeles, and San Diego, with additional service to the Central Valley. The TTC is a key feature of the proposed rail system and will create a modern intermodal terminal designed to accommodate high-speed rail trains and 7 other transportation providers under one roof, connecting San Francisco with the rest of the state. An integral part of the Transbay project includes the creation of new neighborhoods surrounding the transit center. The Transbay redevelopment plan that we've talked about and covered in the past will clean up and use a vital and underutilized section of downtown San Francisco that right now is basically a parking lot with leftover garbage from the Loma Prieta earthquake. The huge project area is about 40 acres in size and is bounded by Mission Street in the north, Main Street in the east, Folsom Street in the south, and 2nd Street in the west. The project will build out an area with 3,400 new homes, 35% of which will be affordable. There will be new office space, hotels, restaurants, and spectacular slender high-rise towers. So how long is it going to take? The project is currently in the design stages, but construction should begin in 2008 with full completion by 2019.